Hi, I wanted to send you a video message because I just heard the news that the governor has decided that it's too dangerous based on the spread of the virus for K-12 schools to go back. And I am sure that there's mixed feelings about that. There might be a part of you that's like, oh, school's over. But I'm thinking back to when I was in high school and those social times were really important. There were things you wanted to do. There were senior things to do. There were things for those who were sophomores and juniors that you wanted to do. People you would want to say goodbye to. Your teachers would want to have to be able to say goodbye to you also. I wanted to say goodbye to you at the end of the year and tell you what a great job you've done. So I'm really sorry that we won't be able to be together in person. My understanding is that our class continues using the online tools that we've been doing. And I'm sure you will be hearing from your teacher about that, or no, your principal about that. And I'll keep you up to date as I hear things, but please stay connected with me and with each other. And um, I guess we'll just keep waiting to see what happens. But don't give up on this class. You'll be able to get this credit only if you finish the semester. So please keep working on it. And I hope to see you through Zoom soon, okay? All right. Hang in there. Bye.